Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can create a stacked 100% area chart in ThinkCell. So this chart will help us be able to compare proportions of different elements from our chart. In our previous tutorial, we saw how we can create an area chart. But with area charts, the ordinary one, you cannot be able to view and compare various proportions. So to be able to compare these proportions, we use the 100% area chart. So to insert this chart, we come to elements and then to our chart. Then we select it here, the 100% stacked area chart, and we place it on our slide. Then we can now change the values in our data sheet. So I want to see progression from 2022 to 2026, and these are for products A, B, C. So I'll populate for 2025 and 2026. So if I look at my chart now, you can see how it looks like. So we are able to compare based on proportions. If you look at 2026, you can see that product C is performing better than the others. You can see product B based on proportion and product A. And you can compare for other years as well. So to customize this, you can right click on this chart and add point labels if you want. So this makes it easier for you to compare based on various percentages. On this axis, you can make adjustments. We make this 20%. You can also right click on it and add title labels. So if you want to add title level, so you can call this title level proportion, and you can move it to this point. If you want to add legend, you can still add legend by right clicking and selecting add legend. So there are different kinds of customization you can make. You can change the theme, and these are just the tricks you can use to create and customize your 100% stacked area chart. And I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.